Hey everybody, it's Miss T from the Children's Library of the Plainfield Public Library. Thank you for stopping in for another special STEM project. Now today we are making melting snowmen. Okay, so this is one of them, and this is what you'll need. You'll need baking soda, white vinegar, water, Google eyes. Well, you can have paper, okay, a squeeze bottle or a spoon, glitter, and sequins, okay. So, and as always, we invite everybody, if you're doing this project or any other project, to send us pictures. Our email is yp@plfdpl.info. Okay? So send us a picture if you're melting snowmen or any other STEM project. We'll post it on the website and show your work off, okay? All right, scientists, let's get into it. All right. So we're going to start with baking soda. Now this is what it looks like. It's white powder, and I'm spilling it right here. And I'm just going to take a little popsicle stick and just get little bumps out of it. Okay, so I put it in this little container, and for this, I'm going to call this baking soda is known as a base. Okay, now the second thing, water. Alright, so nice clear water. We're going to put a little in. Now you want to make this not too soupy or too, you want to make it kind of like you can still kind of mush it up a little bit. So we don't want it too thin, we don't want it too thick. Kind of like Goldilocks and the Three Bears. We want it just right. And if it gets a little thin, you can always put a little more in. So that's what I'm going to do right now. And as always, we ask, if you need help, please ask your parents or older guardian, sibling, caretaker for assistance, right? Because while we love that you love science, we want you to be safe even more. Okay? So it's getting a little thicker. Kinda a little thin, so I'm just gonna put a little bit more in. And sometimes we'll get it right on the first try. Sometimes we gotta, you may have to just put in a little more, until you get it just right. So that's what I'm doing right now. Putting in a little more. And it looks like snow, right? Kind of like a dry snow. Put the baking soda over here, and now it's really, there it is. So, now it's a little harder to stir. So that's kind of how you want it. See? Just like that. Okay? So you want it not too thin, not too soupy. You want it just like, kind of like this. Right? So it'll stay on a popsicle stick. So I'm just going to smooth this out. As you can see, it's smoothing out now. And now I'm going to add and make our face, okay? So that's why you need the googly eyes. That googly eyes here. There's a little piece of orange paper right there. We cut out a little triangle for the nose. And we have some stars here. A little triangle here. And little stars. Oh yeah, forgot the glitter. Thank you for reminding me. We have glitter. So Just going to put the glitter in. And you can use any color of your choice. It doesn't have to be a particular color. We just happen to have blue. So that's what I'm going to use and stir that back in there. And that'll give our baking soda and water a nice shine. Now this is what is used as well to make, like, how many of you know what a bath bomb looks like? So if you go to the store and it's like round and you can put it in your bath water and it dissolves, well, this is what those are made of. And then there you go, nice. Okay, so now we're gonna put on our eyes. So now we're gonna start to make the face. Put in one eye, second eye, or hey, if you want more than one eye, that's fine. It's your snowman. You make your snowman how you want, okay? So, and oh, that's right. Now for the mouth, I used a little pipe cleaner. So I'm going to take a little piece of yarn and I'm going to put that on as the mouth. Okay, so you can use any number of things to make your snowman come to life. Okay, so we're going to put that here and we made a face. Okay, so then you want to put this in the freezer. Okay, so I made some already that have already been frozen. And here they are. I made 2 of them. Okay, so they got the nice snowy face. Look at that. Look at that. And now I'm going to just pop them out. And now we'll show you. Here's where the real fun begins, okay? So, how do we melt our snowman? Oops. Now, how do you think we're gonna melt it? Are we gonna put it in the heat? No, we're gonna use vinegar, which is known as an acid, right? Okay, so I'm just gonna tilt this here so you can see it. And I'm just gonna pour. You can use a spoon. You can use a squeezy bottle, right? It has a little nozzle here. So I'm going to bring this close so we can really see it happen. Are we ready? What do you think is going to happen, scientists? Acid plus a base, you're going to get a reaction. So let's see what kind of reaction we get. Are we ready? Let's go. Do you see that? There it is. What's happening with our snowman? It's melting! Look at that. Ah. It's melting! See all kinds of bubbles. There it is. Look at that. Oh my goodness. It's melting. Right before your eyes. Ooh, now it looks all breaking apart and everything. This is the same now. Vinegar, baking soda is commonly used if you want to, have kind of a fizzing effect or a boiling effect, just like it's happening now. So you can use this many different ways. Look at that. Wow. And these are nice when they're nice and solid. You don't have to put it in a freezer, but You can pop them out and you can put them on a tray. Get your vinegar, and you, in no time, are melting your snowman. Now, I just had the second one, and let me tell you, I just made a mess of it. So the second one, when I put it in, it fell apart, but I'm still going to take the vinegar, and wow, melt that second one right on up. Isn't that fun? And then you can hear all the sound and the sizzling. Look at that. And that's how you melt a snowman. Alright, so this is Miss T from the Children's Library of the Plainfield Public Library. Once again, thank you for stopping by for another special STEM project. And until we meet again, guys, stay curious, stay experimenting, and be safe. So long for now. We'll do one more for the road. All right. Bye, guys.